Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best drift cars inside of Midnight Chasers. And here it is right here. It is the Dodge Challenger Hellcat Redeye. I believe it's the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. And yeah, this car is pretty nice. It's pretty detailed interior. I have changed the paint color, and obviously it's got a beautiful license plate, but it's actually an incredible drift car. So I'll show you how it drifts, and then I'll show you how you can make yours drift like this. Let me just close this so it doesn't look as weird, because right now it looks Okay, so here we are. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the traction control off and the ABS off, and then I'm just literally drifting. I'm not even like... See, it's in 4th gear that I recommend drifting in with this setup. If you go below 4th, it'll usually not want to drift. So I put it in semi, and then 4th. And then the way you get it to drift, you actually have to overturn it a little bit to the point where it looks like it would lose the drift. And then, otherwise it will not turn enough, because obviously it is a pretty big boat. You sometimes even have to just keep turning it. Like, if you want to keep it going around these corners. Alright, let's go down here a little bit. I'm not the best drifter in the world, okay? I'll just say that. But what's really sick is you can actually drift it in traffic. So, let's cut through a little montage of that. But yeah, now I'll show you guys the tune on it, because of course, there are probably better tunes out there. Let me know if you'll know one. But don't mind the fact I only have 4 cars, okay? I'm pretty noob in this game. By the way, this car, I'll show you how to get it in a second. But yeah, so the first thing I gotta show you is, basically what you want to do is you want to have quad turbo. You want to have... You don't need nitrous. I guess it could probably help you. Tires, you obviously want drift tires. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive. Gear tuning, you don't really need to worry about. And then, that's kind of all you got to worry about. Brakes, I put track brakes, but you don't need them. And then, yeah, that's kind of all. You can do burnouts now, so it's pretty insane. This car does, the only problem with it is it changes up the gears really quickly if you're not careful. Like, look at this. I'm just trying to drift, okay? Look, it's changing me into 3rd gear at 45 miles an hour, which is kind of ridiculous, okay? You want to kind of punch it into 4th, I'd say, and then drift it. Now, as I said, it isn't a car that you can just buy in the dealership. Let me show you guys. So, go into the market. It is right here. Now, you can get one for about... $300,000. It's not a bad deal, I'm not even gonna lie. But a lot of them people have upgraded. It is a bit of a boat, so don't expect it to be like your main, like, grinding car. But I mean, honestly, it is really cool to just drift around, and here's one of my favorite areas to go and drift. If you head to the Doro Sprint, and then you've got like these Tokyo streets, we're gonna punch it into 4, and then something I love doing, and it's actually pretty sick, is a cute little montage of this, okay? Yeah, we can pull it into a spot right here. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!